Guys, welcome to my channel. So you guys already know by the title of this video, today we're going to be using some new products from the Urban Decay Moondust collection. So the first thing we have is the Moon Spoon Moondust glitter. It's a liquid glitter. This is so awesome. I swatched it. Like, I love this so much. And then we have an eyeshadow. So this is a Moondust Lithium eyeshadow. Here it is. And then we also have a lipstick, which is the Moondust, they're all called Moondust, Moondust Shimmer Lipstick in the color Rising. And then we also have the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And it's a Perversion, it's in the color Perversion. It's a black eye pencil, but it says 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, so maybe this is not part of the Moondust collection. Urban Decay sent me these items, so we're going to use this anyways. So first things first, we're going to be using items that aren't part of this collection. So we're going to go on, obviously have foundation, concealer, powder, brows on. And I want to let you guys know I was about to use this as a primer and put it all over the eyelids. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer and it's in the shade white. Like, it's a pure white primer, but this was terrible. Like, it was so hard to apply, like it wasn't picking up, but it's also very like grainy, like it's very gritty. So I started out applying it on the brow bone area, but it looked so bad, so I tried to blend it out. But let's go ahead and go into this product. This is the Ciate London Jessica Rabbit Multi Glow. So I bought this. I thought I would use it. I'm going to use it as kind of a bronzer as well. So I'm going to put it down first, probably top it with another bronzer, mix it around. But it's so cute. Like, look. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see that, but look how cute that print is. So I'm going to be taking the Morphe M527 brush. We're just going to swirl in there and just start bronzing up the face. All the areas we normally use that at. Okay, so I actually really like that as a bronzer on its own. It's like a warm and cool tone kind of vibe. It's not like too bold, but it's very soft and blended out super nicely. So I recommend this so far. This is pretty cool. So now I'm going to go in with this Kylie Cosmetics blush. It's a pressed blush powder. Baddie on the Block is the shade. This shit don't open. Okay, so here it is. I forgot I had this, so I'm going to use it. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics 103 brush, and we're just going to put it on where you always blush it up at. Now time for some highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. I'm going to pick it up on the Dalton Prepping Perfector brush and just put it on the cheeks, nose, face. And I did already earlier set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray. So I'm not going to set it again because I never have problems with my makeup coming off, honestly. But I'm not going to set it again because I'm already super matte and I don't want to get more matte with the toppings I just put on. Okay guys, so the camera turned off. So what I just did was I took the Urban Decay Wired palette here. It's not part of their new Moondust collection, but here it is. I went into this orange color. Right here, and then I took the Morphe M506 brush. So I took it very close to the brow bone area only, and I tried to put it as close to the brow as possible while blending it out very, very good, very soft. So that's what I did. So let's move on. So since I have this brush, I'm going to use it again. I'm just going to wipe it off on a towel, and I'm going to take the color Slow Burn, which is kind of a red color. It doesn't look as like heavy in color. It kind of looks soft and it's got a little shimmer to it, but I probably won't see the shimmer. So I'm going to take that and just start blending it into that orange color. And we're going to make sure this is all rounded out. So I'm going to wipe off that brush again and go back into that orange. I want to make sure this is as blended as possible and soft. So I'm going to do the orange again and I'm going to round it out here and make sure it's orange and blend it in the inner corner as well. So now we're going to go on to a different brush, and honestly I have no idea where this brush came from. I've never seen this brush before. So this is, and it's so clean. So this is the Morphe M5321 brush. I'm going to go into the color Shock and see if it shows up. It is a purple color, so we're going to go into that color, and we're just going to put it lower into the crease area. Oh yeah, it's showing up, so that's really pretty. So I'm going to start packing it, again, rounding it out. And I'm going to bring it in the inner and outer corner as well, just a little bit here. Okay, so I'm going to take that first brush we were using a minute ago, not wiping it off, but I'm going to try to use it just to very softly blend out where the purple's going into those colors there. And I'm going to go ahead and take a clean, fluffy, like a very heavy fluffy brush. This is the Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to go into that orange color again, very lightly, and just use it to help round out here. Okay, so I'm back off camera. I just went ahead and cut my crease. I used the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. I also used this under my eyes. This is in the shade C2. I'm really bad at cutting my crease, but I kind of did it in like a halo kind of way. So now we're going to go into the Dalton Detail Dazzler Flat Small Brush. And I'm going to take that Urban Decay eyeshadow in the shade Lithium here. We're going to take that and we're just going to place it right over where we just put that cut creasy, area, and see how it looks. And I might go over it with my finger as well for more shimmer. Okay, so this looks so pretty. Like, the shimmers in it are like so, like you can see all the shimmers. This isn't like a very thick glitter pigment. It's very thin. It looks like something that it wasn't going to be as glittery as it is, and I love it. So I'm going to take it a little bit on the finger, just pop it here. I always do this with shimmers because sometimes I feel like it makes them pop a little more. Okay, so we're going to move on. I'm going to take the Morphe B18 or 13 brush, and I'm going to go in with that orange color. We're just going to pack it right here on the outer part of that cut creasy shimmer area. Just kind of want the orange to kind of pop through. Okay, so I wiped that off. Now I'm going to go back into that purple and just start putting it on the outer part and only showing a little bit of that orange. Just kind of want like a different hue ombre there. Okay, so I went ahead off camera and did some wing eyeliner. I used the Glam Light Calligraphy eyeliner. So now I'm going to go in with that Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I'm going to put this in the waterline. Oh, this is smooth. Like, this is so pigmented. Like, I hate eye pencils that I have to like really like kind of scrape into your eye. No, this is, ooh girl, I'm going to use this all the time. Okay, so I love that. Now we're going to go into that palette again, and I'm just going to take, which brush am I going to take? I'm just going to take this one, the M32 Morphe brush, and we're just going to go into that purple and just rub it, blend it under the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of that orange and just blend it at the bottom of that shadow. Okay, so now for mascara, I'm going to use, and I would use an Urban Decay mascara because I love the Perversion mascara, but I'm running out of it, so I'm going to use the Tarte C Surfer Curl mascara and just put it on my lashes. I'm just going to now take a small brush and go into that Anastasia highlighter and just pop that in the inner corner. Okay, so now we're going into the lips. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Moondust, what is it called? Shimmer lipstick, and it's in the shade Rising, and we're going to put it on the lips. Okay, so first off, that was very easy to apply and it feels so nice on the lips. But second, it is so, like, so pretty. I know you guys can see it. It's very shimmery, it's very metallic, which is really nice. I don't think I've ever used a lipstick that's a lipstick, not a liquid lipstick that has that foiled look to it. I may be wrong, but that looks very pretty. Like, I feel like you can use this for other things as well. Like, you probably don't want to put something on your lips, on your eyes, but I feel like you could do that. Line the brow bone with this. This is really, really nice. Alright, so last thing I'm going to show you guys is the Urban Decay Moondust liquid glitter in the shade Moonspoon. So it's a silver, but it goes very nicely. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up as well. I would have used this as a highlighter on my cheeks today, but I'm really bad with liquid highlighters, so I didn't want to mess up the look, but I will try it later. So I'm going to put this on my finger and kind of just put it into the hand. And I'm going to show you guys up close, but here it is. It gives a silver look to it. And then here, insert the up close video right here. We're just going to blend that in so you guys can see. Just going to put it everywhere. And you guys probably can't see too much, but I mean, look at that shimmer. And the more you blend it out, the less silver it gets, the more just pure glitter it looks like, which looks so cool. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to put it, like, I don't really have collarbones, I'm too thick for all that, but I'm going to put it here and kind of blend it here, down the chest, make it look nice. I'm like very shimmered up, but when I got this, that was like the first thing I messed with, and I love how beautiful it is. I was showing everyone because it's such a pretty shimmer. I just love this product so much. I'm going to use this like a lot, not just when I'm doing like bold things, but something I'm just going to put all over my chest, on my arms when I want to be glittery, which is all the time. Okay, so anyways, guys, I really loved this collection. The few items that I used were all really, really good. I can't say anything negative about any of them except that I love them. So I really recommend you guys to check that out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.